Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the thumbnail that today we're going to talk about earning online. If you are a new viewer, then subscribe my channel and continue with the video. I got into freelancing few years back and I started writing blog posts, essay writing, reports and engineering stuff. But this video is made solely for the beginners who do not want to get into much stress and want to start with the baby steps. People often ask me how much a freelancer earns per month. So an average freelancer can earn up to 70 US dollars and an expert can earn up to 1000 US dollars per month. So let's get straight into it. Beginners ask how to take work, who will hire them, how to deal with the scammers. These all questions will be answered in this video. I would recommend you to watch this video till end, otherwise you will miss important points. So, question number 1, how to take work and where to start. Join freelancing Facebook and the WhatsApp group. Once you get an experience of dealing with people, move to the Fiverr. Now people ask why not to start directly on the Fiverr. As a beginner, you won't be able to deal and it would affect your profile negatively. So first you need to learn dealing with the clients, market rates and dealing with the scammers. And you will learn all this from the Facebook and WhatsApp groups. Now question number 2, how to avoid these scammers. I would give you 3 tips for that. The first tip is never give any kind of registration fees, and if they ask for it, say no without getting further into the chat. Tip number 2, never write free articles as a sample, and if you still want to send them, you should write it as a blog post on a medium.com only once and send it to all who ask for the samples. Tip number 3, always ask for the payments side by side. If they give you monthly payments, then they might be giving you less than you deserve because there is no limit or specified payments for the work in the freelancing. So ask separately for the each assignments you do. Question number 3, what skills do you need to start? So I would recommend you to start it by doing works related to the writings first. But for good writing, do not copy and try to reproduce with the minimum possible plagiarism. Good researcher is not one who copy pastes things from the Google. Bonus tip at the last. To avoid being scammed, just send screenshot of the first page of the assignment and the word count first to get the payments before sending the original document. That's all for today. If you want to know more about freelancing, comment down below your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more such informative videos.